Hello traders, in this video I am going to teach you how to make 1000 pips with forex trading in a very easy way. Yes guys, this is quite possible because yesterday I made a video about the MACD. If you have not watched that video, you can watch the previous video that I posted yesterday. So I was having the discussion with one of my senior traders, and he told me, because when I provided him with the link of the YouTube video, then he told me that I have a very good strategy because the same way he is making 1000 pips in Forex. Okay, so this video is not limited to Forex. You can also trade crypto and stocks, but it is just like a 1000 pips strategy. If you work hard, if you are going to be consistent, then definitely no one can stop you from taking 1000 pips into the forex market. So the indicator that we will be going to use in this strategy is L Grand MACD crossover overlay with alert, that is by L Grand, and you can see only 1077 traders are using it. Okay, so guys, this is completely a very simple indicator. There is no need of having the personal experience into the forex market. You can trade any condition in a very easy way. That's not required. I mean, you do not have a it is not required to have a very good judgment of the market. Okay, so he told me about the second indicator that you will be used for trade with the trend is the same that I normally talk in my YouTube videos. That is the moving average exponential. If we go here and if we choose the settings and give it a yellow color, and inside the inputs, if we are going to give it a 200 length, then you can see our setup is completely ready. So I asked a question from him that how you are actually trading with this indicator. He is telling me the simple words that if the market is below the 200 EMA, only sell. Okay, do not go for the buy signals, right? Okay, maybe you do not consider this as a journal buy and sell signal indicator. This is not like this. This is a very special indicator. Okay, set up a stop loss like at the previous high of the market, and then you can see how much you targeted on gold 1 minute, 3.45. Right now you can see the sell signal is running. We are not going to talk about it. Okay, here we have a somehow scalping chance. Okay, so here the market was a bit slow. So above the 200 EMA, you are not going to take those sells. Okay, you will only buy. So for example, we have a buy signal here on this candle, and you can see on the same candle it is providing you buy and sell signals. So your stop loss ratio will be very less in that condition, right? If you look at here, 4.41 ratio is achieved. Okay, if you look at here the other signal that above the 200 EMA, you entered into the buy position, and then you target something like 1.33 ratio. Okay, so this is how you need to work. Let me take you to USD CHF and let's have a look what's going on here. Okay, so below the 200 EMA, you can see that we will not take the trade here. Once it closes below the 200 EMA, you can take the trade. Okay, now let's talk about the possibilities that we have just discussed. Okay, so above the 200 EMA, only you will be buying. Okay, so set up a stop loss at the previous low of the market. Look what you have targeted from this trade. If you look here, almost you have targeted 2 ratio from that trade in a very easy way. Similarly, this trade was also good, and keep on ignoring the red signals. Keep on ignoring the red signals. You do not need to take any reds. Okay, so for example, look, you will see a lot of opportunities. I mean, this indicator is very special. I have personally traded that one, and it has given me very good results. And trust me, during the night I was trading with this indicator. That was very good. You can see all of the signals are mostly good. Okay, so even if you look at here, we have red signals. Just keep on ignoring the green ones, then you will know that it is going to be on the profitable side. Okay, now let me show you on the higher time frames like 15-minute. Okay, so on the 15-minute, we have a buy signal. We will take the entry above the 200 EMA. You can see a successful signal. Again buy, go, went fine. Okay, sell ignored, buy again went fine. Okay, then again you can see buy signal appeared, but above the 200 EMA, here we will take our entry, and then again the buy signal, it was also successful. So guys, everything is in front of you. Now look at the Euro USD, right? Buy signal completely fine. Buy signal didn't hit well, but the market starts to bounce back. Okay, so again, if the buy signal will come, you can take it. Okay, So this is how buy signal successful, buy signal somehow good for scalping, buy signal okay above the 200 EMA successful. So guys, this is not a journal buy and sell signal indicator. So basically this is giving you on the basis of MACD crossovers, right? Okay, now look at here on USD JPY. Buy signal we will not take below the 200 EMA. Look, sell down, sell again down. So guys, simply use this one. This is the simple method that I have given you, and that is the gateway to the 1000 pips in Forex market. So it depends on you that how much time you take to get your first 1000 pips into the Forex market, right? So guys, what do you think about this video? Please let me know into the comment section. Moreover, please subscribe FX Mentor US and like this video and share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.